In this short video, I'm going to explain to you how you can request that the final court order for your divorce is delivered to your door. Once we receive the final court order, we will update our system accordingly, and you'll receive an SMS and an email that we have received the court order. To request delivery, simply log into the Divorce Bros platform and navigate to My Next Step, Request Delivery. Complete all the information on the page. You will see that we will use your registered address as the delivery address. Click on the Continue to Pay Fast button. Select your payment method, whether it's credit or check card, instant EFT or MasterPass, and make sure you pay for your delivery online. As soon as we receive your payment, we will arrange for delivery of the court order with a reliable courier service.